Welcome back to another video. I told you guys big things are coming to the channel, which is why starting now, you can go to shinearmor.com and use code Chicagoan20 to get 20% off your order today. Anything on the site, they have a bunch of car, motorcycle kits and supplies for all your detailing needs. I recommend what they have to offer. I've made multiple videos on this stuff. You can go check that out. So if you want to support me, support the channel, support their company, remember you can go to shinearmor.com, use code Chicagoan20 to get 20% off your order today. With that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hey bro. Roll your fucking window down. Roll your window down. Hey bro, don't be revving that shit over here. I'm gonna leave your ass in the alley. Stop fucking revving it then.
That's right.
You got the chips.
Yeah.
You got the car. Where the
Coilovers? Oh, they're right here. They're in the backseat.
So if you don't know by the title, we're doing coilovers on this 2020 Subaru WRX. Another late night. Yeah.
No.
We got the coilovers, BC Racing. This is gonna be fun.
Fucking free anymore for that one.
Oh.
Hey.
Nah, but
Hey, language.
all right. So we got the first. What the fuck is this called?
Strut.
Yeah, strut. Yeah, I'm blanking right now. All right, we got we got the first strut off. We got this dangling now.
Alright, pull them out.
George is bringing up the new one.
Pull them out. Pull them out.
We got the new coilover. It's about to go on. Let's get this right. Nah, I think you're good, bro. Just leave it at that height.
No, we gotta lower it like an inch or two.
It's already lower.
We should have measured.
It's already lower than an inch or
Measure
two.
what? Oh, the gap.
We should have measured the gap.
Before and after. I guess you could measure
No,
the
the back is way different than.
It doesn't matter now, I guess.
I think we're gonna go 2 inches.
We'll just.
2 inches and
2 inches on the front and the 1 inch down on the back.
Yeah, we'll just figure it
Have
out.
a staggered look.
Yeah.
Hey.
Each corner will be a different height.
Yeah.
Like a lowrider. All right, now we gotta install this right here.
Would it take like 30 minutes to take it off?
Yeah,
Less than that.
I mean, it took you like 3 hours to get here, but you know that's fine. All right, let's get to installing. All right, so we got the coilover in. You can just from the rotor placement, it's a lot closer to the fender. We did a 2-inch drop. We're gonna see where that sits. But so far everything fits pretty well. We tested test fitted the wheel on there. It looks good. Now we're just finishing tightening everything up, adjusting it, and then we should be good to go. And then we can start on the other side. So how's it going?
Eric broke my car. No, that's okay. Shit happens. So we don't know if Eric broke it because I wasn't hitting it really like hard enough to knock off the bolt. So I was like, "Yo, Big Daddy Eric, can you use the big strong muscles?" And next thing I know, I see the speed sensor just fucking chewed off, and I'm like, "Eric, I told you not to fucking break it." I was like, "I literally, Eric, can you please be careful with it?" Now Eric's looking at buy me a new one. It's all good. This is what happens when you bring a car and do manual labor for free. It happens. That's just the cost of the modification.
All right, so we just turned the car back on. Check engine lights on, the ABS lights on, the traction control lights on. Yeah, so we gotta fix this bitch up. Damn. Okay, actually that's not that bad. Focus. Okay, I can fix this. This should be light work. All right, let's get to work. It took a bit of finessing, but I got all those lights off. I fucking did. Yeah, that speed sensor was what?
Bro,
How much was the speed sensor?
200 and 150, the cheapest. Bro, all you need is a good friend.
The cheapest was $12.
All you need is a good friend and a cob.
You need one friend to
Yeah.
break it and another to fix it. And then you need
Hey dog, that's all it was. That's all it was. And I just gotta make it look pretty. All right, moment of truth. Slow. You gotta go slow.
3, 2.
I broke my.
Alright, I got it. Ready?
3, 2, I'm ready, so.
Dog,
Dog, this is low.
that's a lot lower than where you had it, bro.
Dog,
Hey, that's
way
bad.
That's
Bro, I feel like I had to. I felt like before.
You could work on your. Yeah, you could down when we were doing the intake, dog.
It was like you were like right here, you know? Bro, I didn't think I was gonna notice. Bro, honestly, it looks aggressive as fuck like that.
No, you gotta even it out, though.
No, I think.
All right, now final moment of truth.
Hey, it was only like 5 hours.
Yeah, the rear is complete.
6 hours.
You ready?
Yup.
All right, I broke the rules.
Yeah, we got that.
It's not. It's a. Well, we're gonna have to take it out of the garage to see it, but it's not bad. I think the rear is a little higher, but
But it was already.
you shouldn't lower it because then it'll like.
The rear is another at an inch.
The flooring here isn't even.
Pull up on stiffness. Am I bouncing? Is it even bouncing at all?
Yeah, I mean, like the initial bounce.
Well, compared to the way Eric was doing it, like it was like.
No.
Oh hell no.
That's good. That's good. that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Also, don't forget, if you want to support me, support the channel, if you go to shinearmor.com and use code Chicagoan20, you can get 20% off your order today.